and welcome to Beyond Understanding. I'm Lonnie, and today I'm going to be repairing this coil for use in a plaque honoring Marko Rodin. If you're wondering why this coil got demoted from experimental status to art status, that's why. That's Superglue. Someone told me why not to use it. By the time I remembered, it was already too late. And I tried ripping the wires off before the glue completely dried in the process, got some on my fingers. So I ended up setting the coil down, running to the bathroom to wash my hands. I came back and figured might as well just leave it the way it is so I don't damage it anymore. So that being said, let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these twists out, these pliers, so they're nice and straight. I'm going to keep the pins because I can use those for making more coils. The reason you're not supposed to use super glue on these is because, for one, super glue has no give to it. So if you do hook this up to AC, you could potentially, hurt yourself. The windings would flex and break. The second reason is because super glue bonds by anionic polymerization. So if you want to know about that, go to that link. Go to that website. And during anionic polymerization, heat is produced which could damage the insulation on these wires, so gotta be careful with that. What you want to do is use Elmer's glue or something like that. Pin didn't come all the way out. Okay. But if you do get super glue on your fingers or anywhere else, you wanna use hot soapy water to get it off. If you get it on your lips, use your tongue to go back and forth to put pressure on it. Don't force your mouth open because you can rip your lips. And if you swallow it, go to the hospital. If you want to find out more about super glue accidents and what to do if they happen, go to that link. Go to that website. Okay, I'm just gonna do the rest by hand. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I bought a soldering iron for this purpose. I'm going to use it to get the excess glue off these windings so they're cleaner. Again, for this coil, I'm not worried about stripping anything off of it because it's going to be used on a plaque. Be back. Right, I'm back. I got off of the glue off the windings as much as possible. Now I'm going to glue them back in place so they stay put. Before I do that, I'm going to peg them in place. These push pins. I'm going to use super glue on this because it's already got super glue on it, but normally I use the Elmer's glue. So the way I'm going to apply it is with a paintbrush. Then I'm just going to set this to the side and let it dry. And brush with hot water. That stands for super glue. Alright, now that's done. As soon as that dries, I'm going to send it off to the Geek Group. Someone there will turn that into a plaque. And if you don't know anything about the Geek Group or what they do, go to these websites. Of course, there will be links in the description also. Alright, that's it. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll be winding this into a 9-point coil. And if anybody wants the rest of this super glue, let me know. Else I'm just going to throw it out. Links are in the description. And now it's time for me to rock out.